Love you. Oh my gosh. Wow.
Holy crap.
That's insane. This is gorgeous.
Oh my god.
We're literally in a garden.
Yeah.
We are in a garden. Wow.
What a day, huh? Thank you for coming out to celebrate this incredible, joyous day for us. My baby girl's married, so. And we're really thrilled that Michael and Christina found each other, you know? They're just so amazing together. Together, they're like a supernova. It's just amazing how much they just glow.
This is amazing. Oh my gosh. I love you so much.
I love you so much.
You're the best. Getting a drink. I'm having the Bishop. What are you having?
The Queen.
Queen?
Yes.
Yep.
Waiting on Demi to bring
all
us a
chest
drink.
drinks.
Yes.
Very exciting.
That would be your lovely husbands.
Oh.
Thank you so
and that
much.
would be the lovely
Thank
brides.
you.
Jimmy, you're the best. Thank you
Cheers.
so much. Cheers.
Dink.
Dink.
Oh,
Oh, this is so good. And I finally got the Queen. You're gorgeous. Hey, Mama Captain. You look beautiful.
So
oh
sorry,
my
I don't-
gosh. You look incredible.
Christina, or, and this is probably going to embarrass her, but Christina, or Naki, as we call her at home, still to this day. She's a daddy's girl through and through. Nobody in the family could comfort her except me. She had to do what daddy did and go where daddy went, and if we weren't holding hands, she was sitting on my lap. One day, I guess when she was 5 or 6, and that particular day, she must have said daddy about 5 or 6,000 times. I decided to play with her a little bit, and I said, Naki, how do you know I'm your daddy? She's just stopped, looked at me, and takes off running into the house. A couple of minutes later, she comes back out. I told Mom what you said. And she said to tell you DNA. And I said, DNA, what's that? I said, do you even know what that means? She thought about it for a second. She goes, it means Daddy Naki always. And it just melted my heart. I grabbed her, kissed her, and I told her, I said, yes, baby girl, that's exactly what it means. And it'll be like that until the good Lord calls me home. So Christina, even though you're married today, our DNA will never change, baby. Love you. Oh my God. You're so beautiful.
So we got Michael is trying, so we got Christina, and the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit.
Please raise your glass and join me in the first toast to the newlyweds. Michael, Christina, may the good Lord bless you with a long, healthy, and prosperous life. A life full of love, laughter, and lots of children. Cheers.
All right, I need everybody in this room to get up on your feet. I need you to scream like you've never screamed before. Give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Michael Bowie. Put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24-karat magic's in the air. Angels obey ya. Look out. Pop, pop, it's showtime.
My dear sweet Michael, I never dreamed I could love someone as much as I love you. I love everything about you. You're my person, my partner, the love of my life.
Ξέχνα τα πάντα και πάμε ξανά. Αφού δεν μας τρομάζουν εμάς τα βαθιά δυο καρδιές. Άμα ξέρουν μαζί να χτυπάνε, μια στιγμή σταματούν και ξανά ξεκινάνε.
Today begins the life we dreamed of together, side by side, holding hands, leaping into our lifelong journey of love, happiness, joy, and adventure. I met the man who completes me, the missing piece to my family, the man I get to work alongside and share passions and dreams with.
First dance.
We're nervous about it.
Dancing with the stars. You got
Yes,
nothing on this.
it's going to be incredible.
I need to win one. Get me back on my feet. Strong.